Hey, greetings everybody. This is Richard Howard from Concord, California. Okay, let's get to work. Done a lot of things on video as far as prepping you for some of the fundamentals of the business, and those more have to do with underlying fundamental principles as opposed to things that will, actually get your business up and running in a productive manner. I mean, all of it's productive, don't get me wrong, but there are certain things you're going to have to do to get your business up and running, right? You got to get a web page going, you got to learn how to do videos and all that kind of stuff. Today, a tool that I have found very useful, and I think that it's just a good idea for you to understand how I do this if you have no concept. I mean, a few months back, I had no concept. I knew the idea was out there. I just didn't have any idea how to do it or even where to find the programs to do it. So what I want to talk about today is recording your desktop in a video, which is what I'm doing exactly right now. I am recording my desktop in a video. The actual program that I use, let's see, I don't know if you can see the icon down here at the bottom of my in my dock, but it's called ScreenFlow. I'll highlight it a couple of times so you can see which one I'm pointing at. It's a little movie camera with the Mac desktop screen in the background, and it says ScreenFlow there. So I am using a program called ScreenFlow, and it's for Mac. That's how I'm recording this. It's a very, it's a relatively simple program to use. And the way I found it is I did a Google search for record desktop. Record my desktop. And I did a Google search and it came up with all these different programs for recording your desktop. And then what I did is I also went to the support pages in Apple.com. This is not a pitch for Apple.com or Apple's or Macintosh computers, okay? You're a PC, I'm a Mac, it's all good. Doesn't matter which one is which. And you can do the same for your PC. Anyway, I went around and looked, and the one that I found, let me see if I can get it to pop up here specifically, ScreenFlow is the one I found. Yeah, Telestream ScreenFlow over here on the left of my page here, you see. And I went in there, did a little investigation of that product. I read the reviews. You know, it's a lot of hit and miss as you try to find the fit for you. But what I did is I went online, went ahead and downloaded this program, and I paid, ScreenFlow. I don't know. It looks like it was about $86. So that that was a little more expensive than a lot of the other programs. But I had, I can't help it. I am a tech junkie, even though I'm really pretty ignorant of technical things. I'm still kind of a tech junkie. And when I see something, I want the better product as opposed to a more simply functioning thing. So anyway, I went to Telestream ScreenFlow, downloaded the product, and now I simply click on the screen down here at the bottom on my dock, open up ScreenFlow, no matter what application I'm in. Here I'm in Google. If I go to my home page, I can go to my home page, and there it is. And I can move around and do whatever I want. And it's recording it, and you can hear me speaking, of course, and then I get that little picture-in-picture deal. So you can actually see me talking down here in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. So that's ScreenFlow. Now, every program is going to operate differently. I cannot give you, the operating instructions for every program. You're going to have to dig into that a little bit by yourself. But what I would do is I would read the reviews on each of the programs that you're comparing. And then, you try to make sense of it all. You got to take your best shot. And typically, another good thing, you can download these programs on a trial basis. Now it will, typically when you use it, it will have a big word across the screen like demo. So you would never really want to record that and send it out as a finished product. You would have to eventually buy the license to use the program completely without the watermark being right on your screen. So that's the program I use, ScreenFlow. Very effective tool. Find one, Google it, If you're having issues, you can always give me a call. I'll try to help you through it. I can get on my computer, you can get on your computer, we can talk and look at the different things. But you'll do well if you just start looking for a desktop recorder. Give me a call if you need any information, have any questions. 925-285-3972, 925-285-3972. Always willing to talk to anybody who has a question, whether you're with Global Resorts Network or not. Have a great day. This is Richard Howarder signing off. Bye-bye.